travel pet. Bella, let me see your travel pet. Oh, it's the army life, babe. How long is the flight, Dylan? How many hours?
We're like 3 hours right now.
Yeah, past 24.
Basically.
What are you eating, Bella? What are you eating? Oreos.
Snacking before we go.
Yes.
8-hour flight.
Jeremiah, what do you have?
I got
Chocolate chip?
There's oatmeal.
I know, I'm gonna try one of those.
I was about to, but then I changed my mind at the second.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, if we can have your attention for a moment, we'd like to point out our safety features of our Boeing 737-700 aircraft safety information card. Leave your seat back for literature pocket in front of you. 2, fasten your seatbelts, slide the flat metal into the buckle.
Dinner time, and the boys can't hang. Mushrooms? What? Did you eat the mushrooms? No. No? You didn't like them? Did you like your food? Yeah. Guys.
Yeah, everybody does. Oh, yes, sir.
5 hours and no, actually 4.5. I mean 4.
You always do a pink thing every time. Find a new thing.
Mama, there's a curtain.
It's a curtain.
All right, let's look. Everybody safe travels.